Welcome to Bogotá, the heart of Colombia, a city where culture, history, and flavors blend into an unforgettable experience. From the crisp golden arepas to the comforting warmth of Ajiaco, and of course, some of the best coffee in the world, Bogotá is a paradise for food lovers. Stay with us as we explore the city's most iconic dishes and show you the best places to stay during your visit. Number 1. Arepas, the soul of Colombian street food. In Bogotá, arepas are everywhere. These delicious corn cakes come in many variations: grilled, stuffed with cheese, or even topped with meats and sauces. Whether you grab one from a street vendor or enjoy it in a traditional restaurant, an arepa is a must-try. For a unique twist, head to Andrés Carne de Res, a legendary spot where you can enjoy gourmet arepas alongside incredible live music and entertainment. Number 2. Ajiaco, Bogotá's signature comfort dish. If there's one dish that defines Bogotá, it's Ajiaco. This thick, hearty soup is made with shredded chicken, 3 types of potatoes, corn, and the special guasca herb, which gives it that distinct flavor. Served with cream, capers, and avocado, it's a dish that warms both the stomach and the soul. For the best ajiaco in town, visit La Puerta Falsa, a historic eatery that has been serving this dish for over 200 years. Number 3. Colombian coffee. The best in the world? Colombia is world famous for its coffee, and Bogotá is the perfect place to experience it. Whether you prefer a classic tinto black coffee or a creamy café con leche, you'll find some of the freshest, most flavorful coffee right here. For an unforgettable coffee experience, stop by Café Devotion, where they serve some of the freshest beans straight from Colombian farms. Number 4. Best places to stay in Bogotá. Now that we've covered Bogotá's must-try foods, let's talk about where to stay. Whether you're looking for luxury, boutique charm, or budget-friendly options, we've got you covered. 4 Seasons Hotel Bogotá. If you want 5-star treatment, 4 Seasons Hotel Bogotá is a top choice. Located in the upscale Zona T, it's surrounded by high-end restaurants, bars, and shops. BOG Hotel. Designed with inspiration from Colombia's gold and emeralds, BOG Hotel offers a luxurious yet modern stay, perfect for those who love stylish accommodations. Hotel de la Opera. For a stay with character, Hotel de la Opera in La Candelaria offers a mix of history and comfort, just steps away from Bogotá's most famous landmarks. Selina La Candelaria. Perfect for backpackers and digital nomads, Selina La Candelaria offers an affordable yet stylish stay with a lively social atmosphere. Casa Legado. For a homely yet boutique experience, Casa Legado provides a warm, welcoming stay with personalized service and a peaceful vibe. Number 5. Explore Bogotá's food and culture scene. Bogotá is a city of flavors, history, and warm hospitality. Whether you're here for the arepas, the ajiaco, or that perfect cup of Colombian coffee, this city will capture your heart and taste buds. So tell us, which dish would you try first? Comment below. If you love food and travel, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more delicious adventures. See you in the next video.